Hi, I'm Stephanie from stephanieknaturals.com, and I'm going to show you how to make perfume from a flower. First thing you're going to need is a jar. This is just an ordinary glass jar with a top, and you'll want to have one that is just enough to fit the flowers that you have. So you'll need a little bit of flowers. Right now I'm demonstrating with roses, and you'll also need Everclear. Everclear is a very high proof alcohol, and the higher the proof the better for making your perfume. The alcohol actually absorbs the essential oils from the flower, and that's what creates the scent. So what I want to do is pack this little jar full of the flowers, and you'll want to pack as many into them as you can fit. Once you have the flowers in your jar, then you're going to cover it with the Everclear, and then you're going to want to let it sit for about 24 to 48 hours, and then it will look something like this. And when you have your tincture ready, this is called a tincture, then you filter it with a coffee filter, and the remaining alcohol is what we call the tincture, and that can be worn alone as a perfume, or you can mix it with other tinctures and other essential oils to create your final perfume that you can bottle.